Hi guys, I'm here with Jimmy Shergill, and he's in Toronto to promote his new movie. First, you were here for TOIFA. How was the experience?
Very nice. Ji, sab to pehla sare nu sat sri akal. The experience was very nice. I think it was a great response in Vancouver for the TOIFA, and we had a great time. And we are here to promote our film Rangeele, jehdi release ho rahi hai ji 16 May nu worldwide, and it's a full-on entertainer. I don't think ke मेरी कोई भी पंजाबी फिल्म इन्नी एंटरटेनिंग हुई होगी जिन्नी का हुण रंगीले जिहड़ी आइडिया ही ये सी जी पहला तो ही असीं सोच के रखिया होया सीगा अ फिल्म जिहड़ी कि लोकां नूं ऐ लगे कि दिस इज समथिंग न्यू जिमी शेरगिल एंड हिज टीम हैज़ डन एंड राइट फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट सीन ऑनवर्ड्स हस दूरे हो जाओगे तुसीं ते आई थिंक इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल लव स्टोरी आई थिंक म्यूजिकली आई थिंक मेल करा दे रब्बा तो बाद मैनू नहीं लगता कोई भी भावें वो फिल्म कोई मेरी प्रोड्यूस की हुई होए या कोई होर फिल्म होए मेल करा दे रब्बा तो बाद आई डोंट थिंक देयर हैज़ बीन एनी म्यूजिकल एल्बम वे यू कैन से दैट एवरी सॉन्ग इज़ माइंड ब्लोइंग आई थिंक नवनीत ने एतकी ही इज़ गॉट दैट थिंग बैक एवरी सिंगल सॉन्ग इज़ अ रॉक स्टार एंड भावें वो खड़के तड़के वाला गाना होए या फिर बोलियां मलवई गिद्दा जो भी तुसीं हुण एक गाना हैगा जिहदे विच बोलियां ते मलवई गिद्दे नूं फ्यूजन करके एक डिफरेंट स्टाइल नाल लैके आए ने दैट सॉन्ग इज़ देयर सैड सॉन्ग इज़ देयर रोमांटिक सॉन्ग इज़ देयर फिरोज़ नाल बहुत चिर बाद हुण वापस असीं एक गाना कीता है. So I think it's a full-on entertainer, and we're looking forward. 10-12 तारीख तो all the songs and promos, everything will be launched over here. So we're looking forward to this film.
So basically, there's something for everybody in this film.
Everybody, especially the kids. They'll go. They'll have a great time. I think when we talk about films, there could be films like Dharti and all that, whatever, which maybe kids don't understand that much of politics. So people of less age could have probably not understood the film and stuff like that. But this is something that everybody can go and have a ball. I mean, they'll all sit and they'll enjoy the film and they'll have a great time. And I think it's my favorite Punjabi film till date, because there's not a moment where you can say that. Like the title also, Rangeele. It's about these guys who are Rangeele. Why they are Rangeele and what the thing is what you need to watch in the film. It's probably one of the simplest films ever made, but so well done in terms of screenplay, so well done. I just watched the film before coming, and I had no great hopes in terms of कि धरती के बाद क्या बना लोगे, किन्ना वधिया तुसी किन्नी वधिया फिल्म बना लोगे after धरती. And when I saw the film, I told Navneet, I said, boss, you've done something crazy this time. And I think that's what works here. I think the music, the screenplay, the performances. I think when you watch Neha this time, I think the bar will be raised big time in terms of performances by an actress in a Punjabi film. And I'm really, really looking forward to this film. Yeah.
Now, you mentioned Neha. This is her first Punjabi film. Did you have any tips for her when she went into this film?
नहीं जी tips की. I've worked with her on a film called Delhi Heights. We've known each other since a very long time. I still remember we were at some awards, PTC awards, and there was this trailer of Tarti that was playing over there, and she was performing over there, and she saw the trailer and she just looked at me and she said that, Jimmy, I want to do a Punjabi film. If this is the kind of Punjabi films you guys make, I want to do it. I always thought that Sardarni hai kudi, theek hai, Punjabi kudi hai, her parents are Sardars and stuff like that. And I said that it's important, like we always try to get jinne ke bhi Punjabi apne Bollywood de vich well settled hai, we try to convince them ki aao ji karo kuch Punjabi film wali. And that's what happened, and we narrated the script to her, and what she has done in the film, when you watch the film you will understand. Because Jimmy Shergill you've seen before, but Neha performing in a Punjabi film and performing to that level, I think ਇਹ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ 16 ਤਰੀਕ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗੂਗਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਫਿਲਮ ਰਿਲੀਜ਼ ਹੋਊਗੀ and she's rocked it. I think she has raised the bar for a performer in Punjabi films. Now I think you know I know Neeru, I know Surveen, they're all close friends and stuff like that, but I think they're going to have a tough time now. This girl has just come and rocked it.
So she's done a great job.
Fantastic job. I think fantastic.
So Rangile is opening the Punjabi International Film Festival here in May. How does it feel that your movie is opening a festival?
Boss, I'll tell you one thing, it's opening in a lot of places. It's the premieres in Melbourne also. It's happening over here in Toronto also. So it's a funny film, I think. And I think it's been a while. It's been 2 years since I came in a Punjabi film. I think I'm most excited more than anybody else. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਇੰਨਾ ਚਾਅ ਚੜ੍ਹਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਿ ਹੁਣ ਛੇਤੀ ਰਿਲੀਜ਼ ਹੋਏ, ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਹੈ ਰਿਸਪੌਂਸ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦਾ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜੋ ਪਿਆਰ ਜੋ ਸਤਿਕਾਰ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੇ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ, ਆਈ ਥਿੰਕ ਇਟ ਵਰਕਸ ਫॉर the emotion, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ when I started doing Punjabi films, I never did it for money. I think I did it for the passion. I felt कि मेरा फ़र्ज़ बनता सी as a Punjabi to do whatever I can for Punjabi films. And today the kind of response that you get from the people, I think it just gives it away. I think it just tells you that whatever you did has not gone for waste. I think it's the emotion. I think that's why we Punjabis are like, you know, so emotional about things. I did it emotionally and I got that love back emotionally, and I think I'm very happy for that. And I would be even happier if Rangile goes one step further.
Well, we wish you the best of luck. And to all our viewers, make sure you go and check it out. It is releasing and it is opening the film festival here in May. So any message for your fans?
ਬਸ ਜੀ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ, ਜੋ ਪਿਆਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ, ਜੋ ਸਾਡੀ ਫਿਲਮਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ. ਆਈ ਥਿੰਕ ਅੱਜ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਫਿਲਮਾਂ ਜਿਸ ਲੈਵਲ ਤੇ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਚੁੱਕੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਆਈ ਥਿੰਕ the whole credit goes to you guys, and thank you very much. ਤੇ ਜੇ ਹੋ ਸਕਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਰੰਗੀਲੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਵੇਖਿਓ ਜੀ 16 ਮਈ ਨੂੰ. ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ.